Okay, hi. Today let's discuss about the biggest among three numbers. So biggest among three numbers, the program has been followed here. So initially we have the header files, yesterday outage as well as Conio outage. These two files will going to be support for the different functions of a program as we have discussed in the previous program. So many of you are viewing the programs but you are not subscribing the channel. Please subscribe the channel, and for this video I am setting the target as 75 likes as well as 875 comments. So please comment if you are understanding the concept as yes. If you are not following, or if you are facing anything difficulty, or if you want any clear clarification about of the programs, anything you have the doubts, please put in the comment box. So for the achieving the 50 likes, 75 likes as well as 75 comments, please comment as well as like the video. So let's begin the program. So initially we are having the, we know that the program execution will going to be begins from the main. So it will going to be start executing from here. So int a, b and c, the memory will going to be created for a, b as well as c variable. Clear screen helps to clear the previous data. Clear screen helps to clear the previous data. So printf, enter the three numbers. So it will going to be displayed as enter three numbers. It will going to be displayed. Then scanf for the first percentage d, the first ampersand a will going to be get activated. For second percentage d, second percentage b we have given, for that it will going to be get activated. For third percentage d we have given the ampersand c, means accordingly the value what will going to be give. The first value will going to be assigned for the a variable, second value will going to be assigned for the b variable, and third variable will going to be assigned for the c variable. Okay, the value of a is equals to 6, b is equals to 8, and c is equals to 10. Okay, this is a basic inputs what we have required for this program, and we have took the input for this one. Okay, so before going to the tracing, let's understand what this symbol represents. This symbol represents that's a logical AND. The symbol is equals to the logical AND symbol. So we have the conditions, condition 1 as well as condition 2. How it will going to be work? If the condition 1 is true, if the condition 1 is true and condition 2 is also true, ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 1 ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 2, ಎರಡೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರದ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಫ್ a is greater than b and a is greater than c. So initially the value of a is equals to 6 is greater than b value is equals to 8, 6 is greater than 8. Here the condition becomes false when the, so initially in this condition the first part only getting false, means 6 is greater than 8, the condition becomes false. If the condition is become false as per our requirement, the logical AND will going to be say that if both the conditions were true, then only it will going to be get further move. Okay, if the first condition only becoming false, if the first condition only becoming false here, it does not checks for the, it does not checks for the second condition. Okay, next thing we are having the one more if, so it does not going to be enter this print statement. Okay, next what we are having, we are having that b is greater than c. So okay, b is greater than c. What is the value of b? Value of b is equals to 8. The value of b is equals to 8. 8 is greater than, b is greater than a, so the value of a is equals to 6. 8 is greater than 6. Here the condition is true, and b is greater than c. Value of b is equals to 8. 8 is greater than c. C value is equals to 10. So here the first condition is true, means 8 is greater than 6, that is true. But when we comes for the second condition, 8 is greater than 10, this condition becomes false. When the condition becomes false, it does not enters the if block. It does not enter the if block, it go for the next statement. So next we are having the one more if block. Okay, let's trace that one. So the value of c is equals to 10. 10 is greater than a. The value of a is equals to 6. 10 is greater than 6. Here the condition becomes what? Its conditions becomes true over here, and C is greater than B. The value of C is equals to 10. It is greater than 8. So in under this condition, it is true. When both the conditions, if both the conditions were true, it will enter the block. So according to this statement becomes true, means C is greater than 8. 10 is greater than 6 as well as 10 is greater than 8. Here both the conditions were true. Then it will going to be display that biggest number is C. It will going to be display the output as biggest number is C, that is 10 has the percentage D has been given here. It will going to be hold the value of C over here. It will going to be get displayed over here. Okay. So finally the get ch, which helps to hold the output of the screen. So this is about the program. So if you understood the program, please comment it as S. So please try to reach the target at 75 likes as well as 75 comments. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.